at Sardinia. We still don't see Sardinia. We are in Isola Rossa. Yeah, and his pants are torn. Beach Saturday. Sardinia. We still can't see it, but we are 24 hours, 24 and a half hours on the way, and we still don't see Sardinia. We should see it, but it's like there's like a kind of a mist. So we still can't see the island that we're supposed to see normally already. And then we're gonna go between the islands. And then across like the strait between them. Between Corsica and... it's a little shaky again. So between Corsica and Sardinia. To Isola Rossa. But the alarm is going, so I'm gonna check what is this. It was another one of those big ferries. I don't know if you can see it over there, but it's not a danger to us. So that's going 20 knots. They're flying. I hope we can see some land within a few hours, and then yeah. In a few hours we will be there, so... Land ho! Oh yeah! Finally! We see them coming out of the mist. Misty mountains. There's one as well. And we're gonna go in between those two islands. We're getting there. Sardinia. Sardine, here we come. Sardinia. So you will see, like, the Dutch are real sailors, because even the flag wants to sail. It got stuck somewhere. And now it's sailing. We are in Isola Rossa, and we're we're sideways because there was a certain reason. I don't know why, but it was like all the time the boat was going going in like in the different direction. So we were like this. We were aiming for a 30, and we went and the bow thruster. I tried the bow thruster, but it didn't work. So then it was like, okay, let's do it sideways. No hassle. Just do this, right?
It was empty anyway, so...
Yeah, and his pants are torn. Later for the... will be later on the video for subscribers, of course. No, just kidding. So, yeah, we're gonna make pizza. It's Pizza Saturday, after all. So, see you guys later. Live long and prosper. Pizza Saturday.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mine. 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 Good morning. We got a break. There's a fisherman. I was going to the gasoline station to take some diesel, and I was like, okay, I see the guy. Run over there, and yeah, he's also going to help us, so we can get some gas. Yay! Because otherwise we have to make a detour somewhere. But now we can just, if we have it all filled up, we can go. And he's filled up now, so we have to get behind him. Yes. So we just got some diesel. Yay! And we put the boat on the right way. There's no wind, there's no current or any kind, so there's like, we just went back. And I think maybe that was the case all along, to go backwards a little bit more, to keep the boat like under control better with the wind that we had yesterday. But it wasn't that much wind. I really don't care, like I don't really get it why it happened like that yesterday, because we kept going the wrong way, and now it was like going like really easy peasy, lemon squeezy. See you guys. I'm gonna go to the grocery shop. It's open till 12:30, so, or till 1, something like that. Just like but the marina is closed and the gas station is closed, but we got gas anyway. No, not illegal. Come on, what are you thinking? No, we just.
It was.
No, there was just some random guy there, and we asked him to fill it up, and no. But we got some. We got the fuel really filled up all the way. Water is filled up all the way. Yeah, you're thinking, are they gonna make a crossing like for 2 weeks? No, 2 days. But it's our first for the both of us. Bigger crossing, 2 days. Oh, we're so nervous. Okay, that was the last one. That was the last thing we said ever on video, probably, maybe. Look at this. Quite neat, right? Marina has his own beach. Look. Awesome.
Dat is heel gaaf wel.
Look at this place. Really neat. Small little town. The supermarket is, I think, over there. So Koen is going back for some smokes. But look at this place. It's pretty neat. Really nice. Everything here. And small supermarket here. Oh yeah. He's leaving us. He's got to go next door for the smokes. Really nice. Koen finally has his smokes. And like I said before in videos, you see pharmacies in every street. In these places, you see pharmacies in every street. And this small little village also has the pharmacy right there. Everywhere. Like really, in every city or whatever, in every street, you find like 1 or 2 pharmacies at least in every
especially
street.
in the harbor areas, where a lot of tourists come. There are always multiple pharmacies as well.
Yeah, but like also like normal. Like we have 1 or 2 a village, and they've got 2 streets. Really. So the seawall here in the ports is built with the blocks they have locally here. You can see them here as well. So those are local blocks from all the strange rocks we saw. I'm like, I thought I was in Arizona or something. Because look at those, they're all the same color. And for me, they have that vibe, right? Like really, I have that vibe from Arizona or something. And there's multiple places where you have these rocks, of course, but yeah. So last time we were in a hurry to get to the fuel station, and we didn't disconnect the power, so I was like doing really fast. It worked, but not the best way. Ik heb natuurlijk ook altijd nog de generator. Ja. Nou, dan kan de morning los. Bye bye, Isola Rossa! Beautiful place. The only thing was, when we came here, there was no one to help us out in the morning. So that's why we stayed like sideways. But it's quite a nice place. There's a lot of activity. A lot of places where you can go have breakfast, dinner, whatever. It's a nice little boulevard. There's a nice beach, people are swimming. Man, it's 18 degrees, what are you thinking? I'm not going in. Probably I will. One way or another. Well, let's head for Menorca. Only 2 days. We are at the end of Sardinia, and it means that we have to go through there. It's a narrow strait, and it doesn't look that shallow, but there are points that it's like a sandbank or whatever. so it's pretty shallow. So we'll have to keep monitoring, like on here. And you can see here there's an attention, like it's a sandbank. So you have to keep an eye on that, and we have to follow this line exactly. And then, of course, also look where you're going always. But there's another boat already passing through. So if they make it through, there's enough space. And there's another boat on the right, but that one just went through, I think. So that was like, that's now going to the right. Because that side of the small island you see there, the sandbank or the island, you can't go through that part. You have to go. You have to stay to the left side, port side of that one. Live long and prosper. We're through, ladies and gentlemen.
We survived!
Yes. So we're getting close to Spain.
Live long and prosper.